guys, it's Shannon
and Paul,
and today we have a bunch of really cool Super Mario Galaxy desktop figures.
Nice.
We have a full box of these thanks to our awesome friends at UCC Distributing.
Thank you, thank you.
I'm going to have a link down in the description. You can click their Instagram and see all the cool new stuff that they come out with.
Nice.
But today we are opening this full box. I see like 6 characters on this side. I see, four different characters here.
There's like 7 characters over here.
Whoa, so there are a lot of these. We're just going to open maybe until we get a full set.
Yep.
Here you go, Paul.
All right.
You get to go first. I hope there's a checklist.
I hope there is
so
too.
we know how many there are.
I like these little capsules.
Oh, okay. It looks like a checklist.
Looks like a checklist. Let's look.
That will be helpful.
Okay, we have 5. It says 5 to collect.
Huh. Okay.
Okay.
So I guess only 5 in this series.
I wonder if there's different series.
There might be.
There might be.
Okay, so there's 5 different ones.
Yes. All right, I am hoping to get Bowser the most. This is not Bowser. This is Princess Peach, I think. Princess Peach in a blue dress. So let's see what we have. She is really cool looking. She has a wand with a star on the end of it.
I like that. That's cool.
I do too. I like her pose. It's pretty neat. These all come with a base, so you can sit them on top of your desktop. Let's see here. I think... this goes in the bottom of here. I know that. And then, yeah, like that.
Oh, that's cool.
It is, and it can spin around. It could be like it dances. So neat. Okay, your turn.
Okay. You want Bowser.
I do.
Let's see. Oh, I have a duplicate.
Duplicate.
So, go ahead.
All right.
Who do you have? Hey.
Oh, I have... Okay, this is Princess Peach. So that's
Yes.
not Princess Peach.
No.
That's somebody else. Queen Blue Dress. Probably not her name.
You can leave a comment down below and let us know.
Look at Princess Peach. She's really cute. Love the dress.
She has like the Elsa let it go kind of pose going on.
Yep. Come see me, Mario. Mario.
Well, maybe I'll find Mario next.
Maybe. Okay. Your turn.
Here, I'll open this one. Yeah, these little capsules are fun.
They are.
Let's see. Mario!
Mario! Hey, everybody, it's me. It's a Mario.
All right, so here's Mario. I like the pose he's in. He actually, on the toy, is going to hang upside down, it looks like on the base. And he also has the star. So let's see, which one is he going to go on? I think he goes on this one. So... let's see. Put that in him. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I like the way he hangs upside down like that. And then here's the little star. How does he go? Why am I not seeing a... there we go. There he is. And voila. That is really cool.
That is cool.
Mario's floating. Awesome. Okay.
Floating Mario.
You are up.
Next up.
So we're missing Bowser, and I don't know who these two guys
These little
are.
bomb guys.
Yeah.
Well, I have a Mario, a duplicate.
Go again.
Okay. This feels heavy.
Hey, you got
I got the
them.
little bombs.
Oh, I like the
Oh, they
base.
have a different base. Yeah. Neat. Let's see.
While you're doing that, I'm going to give a shout out.
Okay.
Let's give a shout out to Erica137.
Erica137. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for watching.
Yep.
Let's see. Okay, so you have to assemble.
They have a 2-layer base.
Yes, they do. And look at these cool little guys.
They remind me of Heffalumps from Winnie the Pooh.
Oh, yeah.
They're not, but they kind of look like it.
They could be. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Here, why don't I open one while you get that together.
Oh, okay, so they go just a certain particular way.
Okay, come on, Bowser. Oh, no, it's more of
Heffalumps.
the Heffalumps. I don't think that's what they are, but you never know. Okay, is it ready?
There we go. So I actually thought that either one could go on either peg, but they go on...
They have their specific spot.
They have their specific spots. So pretty fun.
Okay, so we just are missing Bowser, and it's your turn.
Okay.
Whoops. I was trying to move her, and now...
she just kind of sits on her base. Let's see. Bowser, come on, Bowser. Yay, I got Bowser. Whoa, Bowser's huge.
He is huge.
All right.
Wow. That's amazing.
Yes, this is.
Whoa, you get to build him.
Yay.
Build a Bowser.
Build a Bowser.
That could be a game at a carnival. Build a Bowser.
It could be. Okay, let's see. Put his other arm in there.
Wow.
And then his head goes on.
That is an awesome figure.
That really is a cool figure.
Look at that.
There's Bowser. Rawr.
Now, did he come with a base or no base for Bowser?
No base for Bowser.
Baseless Bowser.
I love that big spiky shell. Okay, so these figures are really cool.
They are cool.
Ended up getting all 5. We got some duplicates, but that's okay. You can always trade with your friends. Okay, Shannon, it's time to pick favorites. Who's your favorite going to be?
Well, I really like all of them. I really love that Mario hangs upside down like that. I think that's cool. But I could either go with the Tooth Fairy Princess Blue dress or the Heffalumps.
Either one.
Sorry, all you Nintendo fans. I'm going to pick Mario.
Mario, okay.
Yep, I really like that figure.
All right, I have to go down here with Bowser. I think that's an amazing figure. Love the shell. Love all the detail on him, and he's just really heavy, too.
He's cool.
Okay, how about you guys? Leave a comment down below. Tell us who your favorite character from Mario Galaxy is. We would love to know. I also really do like the Heffalumps. Leave those comments below. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video. Hit the share button so your friends can see it. And we want to thank you for watching. We will see you guys next time.
Bye, guys.